Good day. Today we're going to look at verifying trigonometric equations. Now, on previous lessons, we have simplified these into one term. For some of these problems, essentially that is all that we're doing. But the important thing I want you to notice is, since we have this equal sign, I don't have to get one term, I just have to make them match. So I'm going to look at a few of these problems, and I'll let you try the rest of them for your work for today. Let's look at number 8. Cosine of negative x minus sine of negative x equals cosine x plus sine of x. Well, cosine of negative x is just cosine of x by definition. Well, by symmetry. Sine of negative x is negative sine of x due to symmetry. So I have cosine of x plus sine of x. That matches my right side, I'm finished. If you want, go ahead and try number 7. Number 9. Tangent plus cotangent equals secant times cosecant. Tangent, sine over cosine, plus cotangent, cosine over sine. I'm going to work with these for now. I'm going to multiply the left by sine, the right by cosine, so I can combine the denominators. So this is sine squared over sine cosine plus cosine squared over cosine sine. From here, I have sine squared plus cosine squared over sine times cosine. This is 1 over sine theta times cosine theta. Now I'm going to look up at my problem secant times cosecant of theta. I can reciprocate this and be done, but I want to show you can work with both sides of the equation. Secant times cosecant is 1 over cosine, times 1 over sine. This is 1 over cosine times sine, which is what I have on the left side. I just show you that to show you can work with both sides to make them match. Do whatever is easiest. If you won't, go in and try number 10. You can also try 11 now. So let's look at number 12. Number 12 can become tricky really, really quickly. That's why I wanted to work it with you today. Let's break this apart. Cosecant is 1 over sine minus cotangent, cosine over sine, divided by secant, 1 over cosine, and minus 1 at the end. Now, if I keep trying to do these trig properties to get cotangent, it can become very difficult pretty quickly. Instead, I'm going to drop down this equal sign, and cotangent is cosine over sine. Now from here, I'm going to divide by cosine on both sides and multiply by sine. So this is sine of 1 over sine minus cosine over sine over cosine times 1 over cosine minus 1 equals, my right side will be 1 since I divided by the cosine divided by sine. From here I'm going to distribute. So sine times 1 over sine is just 1. Sine times cosine over sine is just minus cosine. I'm going to go and put in this x because I will be done at this step. Cosine times 1 over cosine is 1. Cosine times negative 1 is negative cosine of x. These are the same, and they do equal the 1. I'm finished. Number 14, and you're going to try 13 in this last one. The last one is not hard. However, it does have a little trick to multiply by 1 plus sine of theta on the left side. All right. Cosine plus tangent times sine equals secant. Cosine plus sine over cosine times sine. Now to combine like terms, I'm going to make cosine squared over cosine on the left plus sine squared over cosine. This is cosine squared plus sine squared over cosine, which is 1 over cosine of t, which is the definition of secant of t. Finished. Go ahead and try 13 in the last one. So you have 5 problems to do. There's the first 3 and the last 2. And we are done for the day. Have a great rest of your day.